Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. Today, we'll discuss how to import Vendor Bills CSV in NetSuite. I have a sample purchase order that I'd like to bill using the CSV import. I also have the associated vendor, and it's important to note the vendor's internal ID, as we'll need to include it in the CSV file. The location for this purchase order is my warehouse. To find its internal ID, navigate to Setup Company Locations. The internal ID for this location is 7. In the purchase order, also make note of the amount, as we'll need to include it in the CSV file as well. Let's now open the CSV file. I've included the key fields and used internal IDs for accurate mapping. You can add additional information as needed to match your specific use case. Once you've verified that all required fields are included, proceed to upload the CSV file. I've already created an import mapping, but to start a new upload, go to Setup, Import Export, Import CSV Records. For this test, I'll select my saved mapping to streamline the import process. For the import type, select Transactions. For the record type, choose Vendor Bills, then upload the CSV file we created earlier. Since this is a new purchase order to be billed, select Add as the import option. In the field mapping step, ensure all columns from your CSV file are correctly mapped to the appropriate NetSuite fields. For the purchase order field, select the specific PO you want to bill. Also, make sure that any fields using internal IDs have their reference type set to internal ID. After confirming that all fields are correctly mapped, click Next. Enter a name for your import map, then click Save and Run to start the import process. We can see that the import was successful. Now, if we go back to the purchase order, the status should be updated to fully billed. And that wraps up this video. Thank you for watching.